I have been loving the blush. Ah, look at me in blush.
I need $1 million. Baby, why, oh why? You ain't no undercover, my girl.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Aquaba, and to say it is your girl Eunice. As you can tell by the title of the video, today I'm bringing you my go-to makeup look. I'm just gonna let the video roll whilst our hair sets. We're about to get cute. Okay. My favorite primer is MUA Mattifying Flawless Primer. I use this quite often. I'm surprised I've not run out yet, but I put a little bit of this in the areas that I get shine. For my brows, sometimes I go in with my edge control to like lay them in place, or sometimes I use the Remsco brow fix. Today I think I'm gonna use the Remsco brow fix. I can't lie, like this is very good, but it takes a very long time to get into. Like you really have to work for the product. That is done. I have a brow gel from Remsco Creations, brow pomade actually from Remsco Creations. This is in the shade Espresso. Are you a brow before foundation or foundation before brow? Comment below. I think it depends on my mood. Sometimes I'm a brow before foundation and sometimes I'm a foundation before brows. I've noticed that whenever I do my brows before foundation, I go crazy with my brow. I think I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to jump straight into my foundation. This foundation, I didn't hear too much about it, but I love this. This is the XX Revolution one and it's in the shade 16. A little bit of this goes a very long way. Like, just watch with the magic that this will do. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what this can do. A little bit goes a very long way. I like to apply a little bit of everything to give me a full face. So I only apply the foundation in the areas that I need it, which is like my cheeks and my jaw. I'm just adding the excess foundation to my forehead. Only 2 pumps. It's not even like 2 full pumps. And look at it. Stunning, beautiful. And I'm gonna use the XX concealer, also in the shade 13. I'm first gonna apply a little bit underneath my brows to clean it up. When I apply my concealer, I focus it just in here. I don't like drag it out because when I blend it, it's gonna drag. So these are the placements that I like to do. And then whilst that sits for a bit, I'm going to use the Conceal and Define Infinite in the shade 18. And honestly, a little bit of this, I used to go crazy, but just a little bit of this is all you need. I'm going to go crazy with bronzer. Remsco Creations. These sponges are where it's at. I leave my under eye till last just so it can sit there for a little bit longer, but don't like wait too long because sometimes the concealer will dry too much and then it's game over. Can we get into the blend? Always get the side of your nose. The bottom of the blender to go over the harsh line. I really should have like gotten rid of my mustache before I got on camera, but that ain't a problem. My next step, if you guessed it correctly, we're going to spray the face. Now, my eyelids love to crease. She loves to crease. So I'm gonna look down, blend for the last time on this eye, on the lids. Try to keep my eye like looking down. Dip into my powder and set my eyelid. So essentially, I kind of like bake my eyelids. I'm looking cray right now, but trust the process. I actually stopped baking for a while, but I've like been into baking again. I'm going to set my brows as well. This MUA Pro Base Full Coverage Powder, that's where it's at. The bronzer that I have been reaching for so much lately is the Splendor bronzer. This is very pigmented, so I just got in one brush like this and kind of like blend in the powder a bit more. I don't wipe it, I push it back in. And I just like go over my brows as well. I have really been enjoying blush lately. A Shopkin Beauty blush in Mali or the XX Revolution blush in Jaded. This is a bit more orange, this is a bit more pink. I have been loving the blush. Look at me in blush. And I kind of like run a little bit of that on my nose as well. Black owned brand alert again. This is Forever Golden Lashes. I love the style Sparkle. Okay, the lashes are on. I'm using the shimmer highlight powder from MUA. This is Radiant Cashmere. I like to put a little bit of that on my nose. And then I apply like a little bit just in the center of my nose as well. I am going to go ahead and just put bronzer all over my lids just to like give me a bit of something. I bring that up towards my brow. This little tool I got from, I think I got it from Amazon. This just like helps open up my eye a little bit more. I love it. I love it. I so much love it. I always like blend my bronzer into my edges because you don't want to look mad. Here we wow. Wow. this completes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am looking very sweet. I love what I look like. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Eunice, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.